So for many business owners, that's a horrible sound, isn't it? In fact, for most of us, those of us that for many years have had to wake up to the sound of that alarm clock. Yet we started a business to avoid being dominated by the daily grind that most people experience. And yet for the vast majority of business owners, and I know because I was one of them, your life becomes dominated by the three key things of paying your staff, paying your suppliers, and paying the taxman. Every week, every month, it becomes a grind. But there is another way. So in my experience of talking to many business owners over time, the one thing that you wanted above all else was freedom. That's freedom to be with whoever you want to be with, do the things that you want to do in a time and place of your choosing. The Business Buyers Club exists to help business owners, entrepreneurs and investors just like you to achieve the lifestyle and the financial freedom that you always wanted when you started. So what happened? Life happened, and that freedom always seems out of reach. Well, the Business Buyers Club is the antidote to that problem. So there are a small number of advisors out there who'll recommend that you should look for a distressed business, buy it for £1, fix it and sell it for plenty. And some of them will even offer to joint venture with you. But that doesn't mean that you get 100% of the deal that's only for you at the end of that process. By contrast, however, the Business Buyers Club is devoted to giving you the skills, the knowledge and the team of experts that you need to achieve your goal, 100% all yours. But the Business Buyers Club is emphatically not just a teaching and training organisation. It's a community of like-minded entrepreneurs and investors who are serious about investing in their future. And on top of all of that is my absolute passion to help 100% of all my members to achieve their goals and their financial freedom. And I'm fortunate to share that passion with my support team, and especially my close friend and colleague Terry Gormley. Now Terry is our secret weapon because he's the world's only mind shaper. And it's because your emotional bank balance has to be higher than your cash balance at all times in order to succeed. And when you work with me, you get access to my dream team, plus the network, the knowledge, the know-how, and all the people that you will need to get deals done. And then there's what I call our magic box. And this is literally the toolkit that you need after you've done your acquisition. How do you make that business better? So it's access to our carefully chosen partners. These are all experts in all the things that you're going to need, literally from logistics, IT, HR, systems and processes that are going to make your acquisition absolutely fly and become the valuable asset that you wanted to achieve in the first place. So how much does it cost? Well, there's tens of thousands of my own money gone into investing in my knowledge and experience, but your investment is just a fraction of that. But I want you to ask yourself this: can you afford not to invest in your future and that of your family as well? Now, sometimes when I talk about this, the key to this is thinking, not stinking thinking, but thinking about how you want to invest in your future. Now, if for you it's all about cost and not return on investment, then you're probably not the right person for the Business Buyers Club anyway. And as Einstein once famously said, if the definition of insanity is doing the same thing every day and thinking that you'll get different results, then maybe it's time for you to think differently. So I hope you like what you've seen so far in the video. So now I'm going to talk to you one-to-one really. I love what I do, the opportunity to talk to entrepreneurs and help them to shape and change their future lives. So having watched what I've shown you so far, I want to tell you about an opportunity that I think is a bit of a game changer. One of the things that we looked at in our team and as our collective is say, what's been successful, what's been less successful, how can we do things even better? And we made a conscious decision that we wanted to open up the opportunity wider than just our elite members, which has been the bulk of what we've done so far. And we've run a very successful 3-day course that we call the Intensive, but we've not done very many of them. So we looked at what you need in order to come on a course, come on a program, without having to invest a huge amount of money, but to really get the benefit from doing that course. And if you're anything like me, you'll have done training programs, courses, etc. And you come away full of enthusiasm, really excited, revved up, you go home, you tell your other half, life's going to be amazingly different. You've got this big binder, and all that happens is it sits on the shelf and you never execute the things that you've learned in the course of the program. So I wanted there to be an antidote to that. So what we've decided to do, and we've already done it, just recently we've kind of trialed a revamp of that 3-day program, and I have to say it's been fantastic. It's been really, really successful. And what we've done is created it in a structure over 3 days, so that at the end of the 3 days, you will be an investor in companies. Not just a wannabe, not just thinking about it, but the physical steps that you need to go through, together with the learning, together with the structure that will support you beyond those 3 days. That's the really important message. So my message today is we've decided to reinvent our Discovery Day. We used to run regular workshops. So the first step for you, if you're interested, is to come on our Discovery Day. And in the Discovery Day, for a very modest investment, you will learn all the techniques and all of the processes that we teach our members and that I myself use when I'm looking to buy companies. So there's nothing hidden, it's completely open, and we really do share with you important bits of information. In fact, I can gladly share with you that someone that came on one of those workshops, invested 97 quid, has gone on and bought a company, didn't even do any other courses with us. So I'm confident that what you'll find is genuinely of value to you if you choose to go down that road. So come on the next 1 day and invest some time, invest yourself in that knowledge and learning that we share with you. Now, at the end of that, if you feel confident that what we're delivering is real, it's not flim-flam, it's not fluffy, mushy. Sometimes I look at some of the other guys in this sector and frankly, I think it's a bit lemon meringue pie. You get all the fluffy, sugary stuff on top, but none of the meat of the pie underneath. I promise you that's what we deliver. So come along, if you're happy with that, we'll tell you all about the opportunity to come on one of our limited number of 3-day courses that we call the Intensive, and that will launch you into the market as an investor in companies and help you to change your entrepreneurial life, to transform what you do. And I love sharing this stuff with you. So I hope by now you've realised that this is real, that I love it, that it's serious, and we are in the business of changing people's lives. If you've enjoyed watching this, listening to me waffling away on the video, then please get in touch. This video now is linked to a landing page, which hopefully you're in. There'll be the various buttons to click through. Click on those, get your details down, get yourself booked onto the next opportunity. And I personally really look forward to meeting you at one of those events in the near future. So I hope you've enjoyed it today. Please do click on the link. Please book some time in, invest in yourself, invest in your future, and have the opportunity to change your life and those of your nearest and dearest that you're associated with. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the other side.